clock and hold your breath. Silence is a song we haven't finished yet. Don't look at the floor, don't look at the door. I'm not searching for the person you were before. The static of the world is fading out of you, until there's nothing left but the honest hue of you. Look into my eyes, let the secrets spill, like a river rolling over a windowsill. No mask to wear, no walls to climb, just two worlds colliding at the edge of time. You'll see the fire, and you'll see the rain. Everything I've lost and everything I'll gain. They say the pupils are the gates to the heart, where the truth begins and the fables part. I see the constellations of your oldest fears and the shimmering light of 1,000 years. Don't blink away, don't turn the page. We're the only ones standing on the center stage. It's a deeper kind of language, a wordless sound, where the lost and the lonely finally get found. In the iris, in the black, in the steady stare. Everything we are is laid completely bare. Look into my eyes, let the secrets spill, like a river running over a windowsill. No mask to wear, no walls to climb, just two worlds colliding at the edge of time. You'll see the fire and you'll see the rain. Everything I've lost and everything I'll gain. Stay right here, don't look away. Everything I meant to say is written in the lies, burning in the game. Is burning in the grave. Oh, look into my eyes.